Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to produce Amapiano private school with saxophone vibe in it. Whether you're a beginner or you want to improve your production, this video will guide you from start to finish. Without further ado, let's just step into the video. It's a cloud right now. Drift circle, phaser, filter. I had a chord here that is straightforward and easy. For my chord, I've used Purity, I think so. Yeah, it's Purity. It's a melody. My bad, Melo EP. As you can see, I've used Fruity EQ and Harper Chorus and legs of it. Here we have like some saxophone. The first saxophone goes like this. Okay, I did consider this one. And then we have a bass line here. Okay, nice. So for bass line, I've used like look drum, straight, sub 3. And then I have a saxophone here. It's trumpet saxophone, I don't know yet, the whole, yeah. I've used chorus, my bad. I've used concat for this one. Ooh. Yeah, it went like this, and then we have something like this. Okay, we have this one also. Airpiece, the Paradise. Okay, after an intro, we kind of like at the second intro row. It's a build up, I can say it. What I did here, pad, hats, and then I play with keys here. Straight. Some bass, another bass line here, same bass line. Let me check, my bad. Yeah, still the same bass line. And then we have this one now. Okay, still earpiece, another chords here. It's a lounge lizards. And then we have like a bass line. It's a look drum vibe, but it's not too much, bro. It's like some kind of melody vibe. And then we have something like this. Oh, great. Then it hurts. Then bass line. It's a grand piano though. And then go like it. And then we have them keys, yeah. Saxophone here. Okay, now we have like a serious look drum, but before a look drum, we have this one here, a string. And then a select look drum. Okay, some African sounds here. This is private school. Piano, look drum, my bad. And we have something like this. Well, second look drum, what I did here, just added a few keys, but this time we never go crazy. Now I mean, like, yeah, just go easy. Okay, now we have a bridge, which include everything that we did here. The last part what I did here, I've changed like the look drum vibe, bro. It's the last part, so we gotta change the vibe now. I mean, like, yeah. See, this is how my look drum sound like. So it's three type of look drums. First one. And then third one. And then the second look drum. Damn. And we have something like this. Hey yo guys, so we're done with this beats. If you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Please hit the like button, subscribe, comment, tell me what's one of the next. By the way, this is your boy, and thank you for watching, and I'm out. Bless up.